Exercise number 2.1 of class 10. Question number 5. Show that the equation x square plus mx plus c whole square is equals to a square has equal roots if c square is equals to a square into 1 plus m square. This is my answer for this equation. He said that roots are equal, and you know that when the roots are equal, so disk equals to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So I want to calculate this answer. That is my answer. So here we go for the given equation. Given equation is, that is x square plus mx plus c whole square equals to a square. This question is same in exercise number 4.6, 4.7 of class 11. Question number 5 also there. Question number 5. Okay, dear. And 4.7 exercise. So I just want to make this equation is in standard form. So here we go. X square plus a plus b whole square. Apply empty formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal a square. A, that is mx, right here mx. B, that is c. Now open the square. X square plus m square x square plus 2mcx. Write x always on the right side and made the coefficient. Plus c square minus a square equals to 0. Here we take x square common. When I take x square common, what left behind? 1. Here's the coefficient 1. Here m square. Always made the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x. Don't write x square first. Write always x square on the right side. Plus 2mc x plus this all constant c square minus a square all constant equals to 0. This is my standard form of quadratic equation. X square x constant equals to 0. So here it the value of a 1 plus m square, the value of b 2mc, and the value of c, that is c square minus a square. As we know that the disk DISC discriminant, that is equals to b square minus 4ac according to given condition. Roots of the given equation are equal. Right here, roots of the given equation are equal. So put, what do you put? Disk equals to 0. This discriminant, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now use the values inside. 2mc whole square minus 4 in the place of a, 1 plus m square in the place of c, c square minus a square equals to 0. 2 square give me 4, m square c square minus, don't multiply 4 inside, take it for out because we take it common. 1 multiply c square, 1 multiply minus a square, m square multiply c square is give me m square c square, m square multiply a square give me plus minus minus m square a square equal 0. Now from both 4 is common. When you take anything common, one value must cancel. Okay, what left behind? M square c square minus, change all the signs because we have the negative sign outside. Change all the signs. Minus c square plus a square minus m square c square plus m square a square equals to 0. I told you whenever you take one thing common, one value must cancel. That is m square c square minus m square c square cancel. 4 when we bring on the right side, multiply with 0, give me answer 0. What left behind inside? That is minus c square plus a square plus m square a square equals to 0 left. Brings you on the right side, take a square common. I take a square common. In the place of a square, 1 left. Here m square left equals to positive c square. Just turn the sides. C square equal, interchange the sides, a square into 1 plus m square. That is your required answer, hence proved. Very simple proof, not so much difficult. Carefully solve these questions. 5, 6 and 7 questions. These are the three very important questions. These three questions also in the grade 11 4.7 exercise. Also there 5, 6 and 7. Now we write the question number 5, question number 6 now. Find the condition that the roots of the equation mx plus c square minus 4ax equals to 0 are equal. Okay, we want to calculate the condition. Find the condition. So we write in the answer required condition. Okay dear, the roots of the equation, this equation is given, are equal. Whenever the word equal comes, you know that we put discriminant b square minus 4ac always equals to 0. Okay, we'll go with the given equation. What is given equation? Given equation is, that is mx plus c whole square minus 4ax equals to 0. Open the square. Now this time I do directly, okay? A square means m square x square plus 2ab, 2mx multiply c, it gave me 2mcx. I will arrange it, okay? Plus b square that is c square minus 4ax remains same equals to 0. Now just make the standard form of chord equation. I collect these two terms, m square x square plus 2mcx minus 4ax plus c square equals to 0. M square x square already we made it, plus no need to take 2 common, 2mc minus 4a, just take x common, plus c square equals to, now this is my standard form of quadratic equation, x square x constant equals to 0. Now we hear it. Here the value of a, that is m square, value of b 2mc minus 4a, and the value of c, that is c square. Apply the discriminant, disc, 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 that is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now write here according to given condition. What is given condition? Roots of the following equation are equal. Right here, roots of the given equation are equal. When equal, what do we do? So put discriminant b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now use the values inside all. 2mc minus 4a square minus 4 in the value of a, that is m square, value of c, that is c square, equals to 0. Hope so till here you all understand it. Now here we apply the formula a minus b whole square. Apply the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is minus, multiply them, 4m square c square equals to 0. Use values inside, 2mc, here also 2mc, 4a, 4a. It gives me 4m square c square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, a m c plus 16 a square minus 4m square c square equals to 0. See, 4m square c square minus 4m square c square cancel. Write positive value first. 16 a square minus 16 a m c equals to 0. We write positive value first. Now what is common? Simple, that is 16a is common. What left here? A minus mc equals to 0. 16a divided by 0 give me 0. Only a minus mc is equals to 0 left. So a equal mc. This is my required condition. Let me check the answer. He made a is equals to mc, or the value of c he find it, because in first year they find the value of c. Now here let me check it. Question number 6, that is he made the condition a is equals to mc. So I just write here a is equals to mc, that is hence proved, which is a required condition. You write it, which is the only write a required condition. That's all. Now next question on the next page, question number 7. These 3 questions are very important. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Question number 7. If the roots of the equation what is the equation given me? C square minus AB x square minus 2 a square minus bcx plus b square minus ac equals to 0 or equal, then a is equals to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal 3abc. This question is also very important question. This question is question number 8 in 4.7 exercise in grade 11. Okay, what are the main conditions given to us? If the roots of the equation, this equation is given, let me check the equation in standard form. Yes, x square x constant equals to 0 are equal comes, this means that we write discriminant equals to 0, b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then a is equals to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. This is my answer, so I want this as answer. Hope so you got it. Now first we write given equation. Given equation is, what is given equation? C square minus AB x square minus 2 a square minus bc x plus b square minus AC equals to 0. I will check the equation, then I solve it. Here we have this equation. C square minus AB x square minus 2 A square minus BC x plus B square minus AC equals to 0. Okay. Now we go with this equation. We directly hear it because it's already in standard form. Here the value of A, C square minus AB. The value of B, minus 2. We take minus 2 A square minus BC. And the value of C, B square minus AC. As discriminant, DISC, disc, that is equals to B square minus 4AC. According to given condition, roots of the given equation are equal, so put, what do we put? Discriminant equals to 0. B square minus 4AC equals to 0. Write the value of B, minus 2 A square minus BC whole square minus 4 C square minus AB, and the value of C, B square minus AC equals to 0. Minus 2 square give me positive 4. Whenever take the minus 2 square, give you positive 4. Inside we apply empty formula because this is very important thing inside. So we use the empty formula, write the square brackets, use A square minus 2 AB plus B square, close it, use the values inside. A square BC, outside is minus 4, don't multiply 4 inside, we take it common, okay dear. C square multiply with both, C square B square, we write B square C square, in alphabetic form we arrange it all, okay. Minus C square multiply with C, C cube, write with A C cube. Now minus AB multiply with B square, give me minus AB cube. Minus minus plus A multiply with A, give me A square. There is no B, write B same. There is no C, write C same. So it gives me A square BC. Hope you understand it. Equals to 0. Now from these two, we take 4 common. Then inside, what left behind? A power 4 minus 2 A square BC plus B square C square minus, multiply all inside, open the brackets because we take 4 common. So it gives me B square C square minus minus plus A C cube plus A B cube minus A square BC equals to 0. As I told you in the previous questions, whenever you take one thing common, one value must cancel. So let me check what cancel or what solve each other. Here we have B square C square minus B square C square, they cancel. When you bring 4 to the right hand side, divided by 0, gives you answer 0. Remaining all we write it. A power 4 minus 2 A square BC minus A square BC give me minus 3 A square BC. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then plus A B cube plus A C cube equals to 0. Hope you understand it. From all, we take A common. When you take A common, A cube minus 3 A B C, 1 A left, plus only B cube left, plus C cube left equals to 0. So as he gave us A is equals to 0, so I put A is equals to 0. Or he write or, this all remaining value equals to 0. Right here, A cube minus 3 ABC plus B cube plus C cube equals to 0. Bring this negative value to the right hand side. A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal positive 3abc. That's your answer. A is equals to 0, or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc, hence proved. Hope you understand this main important question. After that, we solve the next question.